guys, we've got all of our letters cut out for our Savage detailing sign. Now I'm taking it off the table. I'm gonna get them prepped, cleaned up, everything sanded down, ready to weld together. So here we go. Just got to come back in and clean the face of this up where we've welded. So I've got to do that, and also I've got another sign over here that I've got to clean up a little bit, and I'll show you all here. So this is actually a sign for the Kentucky Great Dane Rescue that I've donated. They had a fundraiser, so I donated this sign. We actually foster for the Kentucky Great Dane Rescue quite a bit, and we own Danes ourselves. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up. I cut it a little while back before they announced the winter, so it did get a little bit of surface rust on it, nothing too bad. So we're just gonna go through, sand that up, get it cleaned up, and actually taking it to the president of the Kentucky Great Dane Rescue today, as well as taking our current foster to its potential forever home. Gonna get this Savage detailing sign taken and possibly hung up today. Do have some help in the shop today. Remington, he's been helping me clean Herbert out so we can load this sign up and get it to the customer. Good job, Ram.
mess with him.
I won't.
Come out this way a little bit.
What? I wasn't even doing anything. You smile bigger when I make noise. You want me?
Yeah.
Hello?